Garrett GoldMaster has a great function for people that hunt in high temperature areas. If you're getting into triple digits, you want to get up before the crack of dawn or hunt into the evening when it's cooler out. Well, you can't see the meter anymore. The GoldMaster has a backlight meter, and all you have to do is tap the power button and it'll light up so you can see it in the dark. During the day, tap it again, it'll turn it off. So excellent function and very rare actually in a nugget hunting machine. Okay, a lot of times when you're playing with your metal detector, and this is especially true when you're new with the machine, you can actually get lost in the settings. You start adjusting things and playing with stuff, and you reach a point where honestly you forgot where you were. The simple fix is reset the metal detector. You can just, with an easy couple button presses, turn it back into its factory condition and start over. So anytime you just get confused, lost, or you think the machine's acting funny, do a factory reset. We'll show you how to do that here. Resetting the Garrett GoldMaster to factory default is very simple. Hold the down arrow, power on the detector, and FD tells you you're at factory defaults. So all the settings are just like it was the day you bought the machine. And to go ahead and get it back into operation, hold the pinpoint button, and you're good to go.